When, said the moon to the stars in the sky. Soon, said the wind that followed him home. Who, said the cloud that started to cry. Me, said the rider, as dry as a bone. How, said the sun that melted the ground. Why, said the river that refused to run. Where, said the thunder without his sound. Here, said the rider who took up his gun. I do, said the bird in the branch of the tree. Farewell, said the snake to the dying light. I do, said the fish in the river of sleep. Goodbye, said the rider, goodbye and good night. No, said the stars to the moon in the sky. No, said the trees that started to moan. No, said the dust that blinded his eyes. Yes, said the rider, as he pointed his gun.